I almost skipped InVideo. Seriously, everywhere I looked, someone was calling it the best AI video generator. Then I'd watch another review and someone else would say it wasn't worth the money. After hearing both sides, I honestly didn't know what to believe. Maybe that's exactly where you are right now. You're probably not looking for another feature list. You're just wondering, if I pay for this today, am I still going to be happy with it a few months from now? Here's what I realized. InVideo isn't one of those tools where you type a single sentence and suddenly have a perfect YouTube video ready to upload. That's just not how it works. You'll still replace clips, rewrite text, change scenes, and make little adjustments until the video actually feels like something you created. And honestly, I don't think that's a bad thing. If AI did everything for us, every video online would end up looking exactly the same. Now maybe you're asking, then why would I pay for it? For me, the biggest benefit isn't that it's smarter than a professional video editor. It's that it gets rid of the repetitive stuff that nobody enjoys doing. Searching for stock footage, building scenes from scratch, adding captions, and putting together a rough first draft. Those are the tasks that quietly eat up hours every single week. Could you do all of that manually? Of course you could. Plenty of creators still do. But the better question is, do you actually want to spend your time doing it? If your goal is publishing more content without feeling burned out, saving even a couple of hours every week can make a huge difference. Here's where I think a lot of people make the wrong decision. They subscribe to InVideo expecting it to replace Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. That's like expecting an electric bike to perform like a race motorcycle. They're built for different purposes. One is designed to help you move faster through everyday work, while the other gives you complete control over every tiny detail. So, is InVideo worth paying for? I'd say yes if you're creating content consistently and your biggest challenge is getting videos finished on time. But if you genuinely enjoy editing every frame yourself, or you only upload once in a while, I'd probably keep the money in my pocket. Before you subscribe, ask yourself one question. What's slowing me down the most right now? Editing videos, or actually finishing them? Your answer will probably tell you whether InVideo is the right investment. Now I want to hear from you. If InVideo could add just one feature that would make it an instant purchase, what would it be? Let me know in the comments because I'm really interested to see what creators want next.